Death Valley is a desert valley located in eastern California, USA. It is known for its extreme climate and unique geological features. Here's some informational knowledge about Death Valley. Death Valley is situated within the Mojave Desert and is part of the larger Death Valley National Park. It stretches across portions of California and Nevada, covering an area of about 3,000 square miles, 7,800 square kilometers. The valley is surrounded by steep mountain ranges, including the Panamint Range and the Amargosa Range. Death Valley holds the record for being the hottest and driest place in North America. The valley experiences scorching temperatures, especially during the summer months. The highest recorded temperature in Death Valley is 56.7 degrees Celsius, 134 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the hottest places on Earth. The average annual rainfall in Death Valley is less than 2 inches, 5 centimeters, contributing to its arid conditions. Death Valley is renowned for its unique geological formations, which have been shaped by millions of years of tectonic activity and erosion. Some notable features include the Badwater Basin, which is the lowest point in North America at 282 feet, 86 meters, below sea level, and the Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes, large sand dunes that are a popular attraction for visitors. Despite its harsh conditions, Death Valley is home to a surprising variety of plant and animal life. Desert bighorn sheep, coyotes, bobcats, and kit foxes are among the mammals that inhabit the area. Various reptiles, such as lizards and rattlesnakes, can also be found. Vegetation includes desert plants like Joshua trees, creosote bushes, and cacti, which have adapted to the arid environment. Death Valley has a rich human history dating back thousands of years. Native American tribes, including the Timbisha Shoshone, who have lived in the area for centuries. European and American explorers ventured into the valley in the 19th century in search of mineral resources, particularly borax. The mining industry played a significant role in the region's history, and remnants of mining operations can still be found today. Death Valley National Park attracts numerous tourists who come to experience its unique landscape and extreme environment. Visitors can explore the park's diverse trails, including the popular Golden Canyon and Zabriskie Point. The park also offers opportunities for stargazing, as it is designated as an international dark sky park due to its minimal light pollution. Death Valley National Park is dedicated to preserving the natural and cultural resources of the region. Efforts are made to protect the delicate desert ecosystem and promote sustainable tourism. The park provides educational programs and ranger-led activities to enhance visitors' understanding of the area's geology, ecology, and history. While the name Death Valley may evoke images of a harsh and inhospitable environment, it is also a place of remarkable beauty and unique natural wonders, attracting adventurers and nature enthusiasts from around the world.